Tamaan Banawe Multi-Purpose Cooperative.
Ang Tamaan Banawe Multi-Purpose Cooperative ay ang kauna-unahang multi-billionaire cooperative sa buong Region 2. Binubuo ng humigit kumulang 200,000 miyembro at mayroon ng 50 branches. Kaya naman, para sa isang kooperatibang kagaya ng Tamaan Banawe MPC, isa ang eleksyon sa mga pinakamagprosesong gawain sa kooperatiba. Pero paano kung may mas madaling paraan? Ipinakikilala namin ang e-co-op vote. Ang dating matagal at pinipilahan, 3 steps na lang. Register, log in, and vote. At dahil sa real-time results, malalaman mo agad kung sino ang nanalong kandidato.
Yung e-co-op vote was the first time po na ginamit namin during the 32nd General Assembly of Tamaan BMPC. The result of the votes was immediately known by the members. Unlike before, when we used the manual, many staff were involved and the preparation is very hard because more on paperwork. But when we use the e-co-op vote, the preparation was very easy. Actually, there's nothing to prepare because it was in the computer. You just set up the computer, then you let the members vote for it. You just teach them how to use the computer, then the result is very fast. Then it is accurate. Unlike the manual, the result took us 1 day. But for the first time that we used the e-co-op vote, the result was released in just 5 minutes. And immediately after the General Assembly, we announced the winner on the election. That's why the e-co-op vote is a great help to the co-op, most especially big co-ops. Masaya naman yung mga membro natin after nag-vote sila during our 32nd General Assembly. That's why for us, Tamaan BMPC, we will continuously use the e-co-op vote being promoted by NAPCO, of course. Before po ma'am, the challenge is the preparation of the election because you need to prepare the staff, you need to train them for the conduct of the election. Matagal po yung preparation niya because kailangan po nating turuan. The challenge is on the counting. How can you make the result accurate for the members to be satisfied? But when we use the e-co-op vote, immediately the members know already the result because they can see through the receipt, they can see that the person they vote is really the person being counted. Unlike before, when we use the manual, they does not know if our staff is accurate in counting. That's why I've said a while ago, it would took us 1 day. We will count first and check if the counting is accurate before we will release the result of the election. That's the challenge. The preparation is the challenge, and then how can you bring the result accurate? When we use the e-co-op vote, after closing the voting time, then immediately after 5 to 10 minutes, you can release the result of the election. So the members have time to question the election, and immediately we can answer their queries if there are queries on the result of the election. So it really improved transparency and fairness. Yan po yung nakikita ko. Unlike before, yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, na they cannot ask questions, they cannot, if they have queries, they cannot be answered because the result would be released after the General Assembly. because it would give you time for us to check the accuracy. The co-op vote help in minimizing errors by making the members choose yung nakikita po nila sa screen yung mga candidate na gusto nilang iboto during the election. Unlike before na sa papel nila nakikita. Dito sa e-co-op vote, nakikita po nila yung mukha nila. So immediately, they will just click it on the computer. With that, it enhance the integrity on the result of the election because nakikita mo on the screen yung mga tao na gusto mong iboto. Tapos i-quiz mo ang pipili po doon. You click it and then you will know already the person, the individuals you vote for. So yun po ang kagandahan na. That's why it minimize inaccuracies in the result of the election. So, yan ang kagandahan ng e-co-op vote. The integrity of the election would not be in question because yung mga members nakikita na nila mismo yung mga tao na gusto nilang iboto. Unlike when we use the manual, sa tarpaulin po nila nakikita yung mga iboboto nila. And on the papers, we cannot provide the pictures of the candidates when we use the manual. But when you use the e-co-op vote, you can see the picture of the candidates you are going to vote. And then you will have a receipt that would show to you the one that you voted on the election. And with that, it really minimize inaccuracies. Yung sabi ko nga kanina, less manpower when you use the e-co-op vote, and then the integrity of the election would not be in question. The result is accurate, and the release of the result of the election is fast. You can know the result of the election within 5 to 10 minutes after you close the casting of votes. Yan po talaga ang challenge sa amin noon. Actually, first time that we used the e-co-op vote, the result of our election is 90%. So, out of the 40,000 na regular members natin with good standing, ang bumoto po doon is halos nasa 35,000 po yung bumoto. Yon ang kagandahan sa e-co-op vote. Unlike before na out of the 40,000 members, 25,000 to 30,000 I think yung bumoboto. Yun po ang kagandahan ng e-co-op vote. Sa atin kasi, we allowed the attend the General Assembly via Zoom. So, with the help of the e-co-op vote, they can vote kung saan po sila, yung location nila, they can cast their vote using the e-co-op vote. Yun po ang kagandahan. Kaya nga yung sabi ko, the turnout came out to be 90%. Sabi ko nga kanina na our members are satisfied when we use the e-co-op vote kasi nakikita natin na masaya sila when they cast their votes and the turnout came out to be 90%. If we are going to rate the e-co-op vote of NATCO, out of 10, we can say 9 satisfied yung mga members. I cannot say that it would be 100% because there are also some challenge. How are we going to teach the members to use computer? We cannot deny that some of our members are really farmers. They do not know how to write. They know how to read, but they do not know how to write. Mas madali po silang turuan using the computer than you help them on the write using the pen. O at least dito sa e-co-op vote, they can click it and they can vote. Actually, yung e-co-op vote ng NATCO helps the promotion of the cooperatives na nakikita nila ang kooperatiba ay going to digitalization. Yun po ang kagandahan kasi yung tingin sa co-op is mababa. Yun actually. Because what they think of us is manual lang tayo. But with the help of the eco-op vote of NAPCO, nakikita nila na ang kooperatiba ay upgraded na rin. Upgraded, digitalized, and cooperatives can conduct election using digitalization. Nakikita nila, hindi tayo puro manual. Yon ang kagandahan that we have this eco-op vote. We can show to the public or to the whole world na ang co-op din ay kaya rin mag-conduct ng election through digitalize. Yon, it upgrades really the face value of cooperatives, most especially in the conduct of elections. I would suggest lahat sana yung mga kooperatiba natin, partners na NAPCO, would use the eco-op vote because ang sabi ko nga, as we experience, maganda po yung naging result. Using the eco-op vote from NAPCO provides transparency, accuracy, and the result of the election minimize queries, and it provides clear direction for our members na nakikita po nila na when we conduct election, we want to provide integrity. So I would advise our member cooperative to use the eco-op vote. Our future plans and expectation using the eco-op vote is train more our members using the computers. We will teach them that cooperatives are going to digitalization. That's why members should be upgraded also because eventually operations of cooperatives is going to digitalization. And it is very important for the members also to be upgraded. We always look forward na NAPCO would always be our partners. Sa digitalization, nakikita namin na kayo po yung long-term partners namin na talagang makakatulong sa amin, most especially with the expansion of Tamaan BMPC. And we look forward for a longer partnership in digitalization and in other business.
Sa pamamagitan ng pagpapadali ng proseso ng pagboto, nakakatipid ng oras, nababawasan ng mga errors, at nakapagpapabuti ito sa pakikilahok ng mga miyembro. Ginagawang madali ang pagboto para sa mga kooperatiba. E-Co-op Vote.